discovery order by Judge Blair Edwards, and I went to the juvenile division. The discovery order specifically names the Livingston Parish Sheriff's Department with for past investigations, current investigations, anything like that. It's a discovery order where we're entitled to get any past reports or what have you. Well, I presented that at the Sheriff's Department, and the juvenile detective told me that I've got to hire an attorney and contact their attorney, Erik Burns, with a subpoena, and I got to go through him to release the records. It don't even sound right. It's signed specifically for them to release past reports by Judge Blair Edwards directly to us.
Okay, 1 second.
All right.
Can I help you?
Yes, ma'am. This is Eric Burns. They had me on hold. I don't know if they were connecting me to you or...
Well, she was trying to tell me what you needed, but I'm not understanding.
Okay. This is what's going on. We have a case in juvenile court in Livingston Parish at 21st JDC. I have a discovery order signed by Judge Blair Edwards that names the Livingston Parish Sheriff's Department specifically to turn over or let us inspect any past reports, investigations pertaining to me, my wife, children, what have you. Any records with our name on it in the juvenile division. Well, I went there yesterday and they told me that I had to get my attorney to subpoena the records. That's the only way they could be released. They didn't say I had to contact y'all or anything at this point. Well, I went home and I dug through my file because we're representing ourselves pro se now, and I have a signed discovery order specifically naming them to release records to me and my wife as the movers or our attorney at the present time, and the discovery is good as long as the juvenile court has jurisdiction because we have ongoing proceedings. Well, I went by there today with the copy of the discovery order. The detective wouldn't even look at it. She said, today she tells me that I've got to contact the Sheriff's Department attorney, Erik Burns, and go through him to get the records released. I said, this don't even sound right. I said, I've got a signed order here specifically naming y'all to release them to me. We know y'all have reports, and now you're telling me completely different than you did yesterday.
And he's not the attorney. The attorney actually is Blaine Honeycutt for the sheriff's office. Eric is not the attorney.
Okay.
I don't know if you need to call him because I have no idea what you're talking about.
They're blowing me off is what they're doing. They're not wanting to turn over reports.
Right. They're supposed to do it themselves. If it's a signed order saying that it's supposed to come from them.
Yeah, I have a signed discovery order by Judge Blair Edwards naming DCFS, the Livingston Parish Sheriff's Office, and like one other person to turn over any other records. They're the only one that's giving us a problem, and then when they name that, I'm like, it don't say that. She wouldn't even look at my report. I'm like, come on, lady. I mean, you've told me two different things, 2 different days.
Right. No, I mean, that's the only, the only way I can tell you is you can try his office. They may know more than what I know.
Yeah, they're giving me the runaround. I'm not even going to waste my time with that. So, well, I appreciate you telling me that. It's really good to know.